Hi guys, short video here about how we can use the DJI Mic Mini transmitter directly with a phone without dedicated receiver. So I have only the small set here and not the comprehensive set with two transmitters, one receiver and the cradle. And of course now I have my phone here. That's why my camera quality is a little bit limited because I'm using a different camera, but I hope you can still see everything. So here I have the microphone in a charging cradle. So let's take it out. And so we have to turn it on manually here with long pressing, I think for 2 seconds. Let's see if you can see the light here. And then we have to press 2 seconds again. I guess we'll see a blue light. Yeah, blue and green flashing alternately, and then we go to the Bluetooth settings of the phone. Here the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm here already in the Bluetooth setting. Of course I have to blur this here a little bit, but I will talk about everything, so I hope you still get the point. So I click on scan for new devices, and down here in available devices we have the DJI Mic Mini. Click on that. It says Bluetooth pairing request pair, and now I get the blue light on the microphone, and so it's connected. The question is then, will it already work like that when we are using the normal video recorder? So that's the normal photo video app, original from Samsung. So when I click here it doesn't say anything. Usually when I have plugged in an external microphone on USB-C, it will say that it's recording from USB-C. Here it didn't say anything, so I guess it's not recording from this microphone. Here I try this here, test, and so as expected it didn't record from this microphone here, but from the internal microphone from the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So to make it work I have to download the DJI Mimo app. Unfortunately it's not available in the official Play Store as far as I know. Okay, and so I've installed the app. Let's open it. Needs to load some stuff. And to connect the microphone we have to click here in the middle. I don't know why they have done that. It's actually a camera icon, but we really have to click here, then it searches for the devices, and now like that it has also found the microphone where I can click on connect, and so I can see also the settings here. For example, like that we can activate the power button for noise cancellation, which is not possible without this app. If you for some reason manage to connect the microphone to the phone and your phone camera app allows to connect from this microphone without any additional app, you won't be able to adjust the noise cancellation level. Some people say it's on the lowest level, some people say it's on the highest level, but probably not what you want anyway. But so with the Mimo app we can use the power button to change the level of noise cancellation. You can see that here, button is down here, but the noise cancellation is up here. So I clicked underneath, now it's off, now I clicked, now we have the noise cancellation again. And so let's start the video app of the Galaxy S23 and click on recording. Still not saying that it's recording from this microphone, but let's try again. DJI Mic Mini microphone. Yeah, so looks definitely that the Galaxy S23 Ultra, probably all Galaxies, do not accept audio or microphone input from Bluetooth. But I found an app, that's the Blackmagic. And when I go to the settings, when we go down here, there's an audio section, audio source. And so I can activate DJI Mic Mini here. And so I can start recording. So that's from the DJI Mic Mini, and that's from the smartphone. Okay, so I definitely have proof that it worked with the DJI Mic Mini on Bluetooth on the Galaxy S23 Ultra using the Blackmagic. So it works somehow, and the audio was not bad. Could be an option, but maybe I'm just going to use the DJI Mic Mini for the DJI action for camera and nothing else. That would be the easiest thing, because the DJI Mic Mini cannot be paired to two different devices, which some other devices allow, but usually I think microphones do not allow that anyway, and definitely DJI Mic Mini doesn't allow that. So I would have to pair every time I switch between the phone and the DJI Action 4. So that's what I wanted to show you here. If you still want to use it on the phone, here's the microphone test. DJI Mic Mini microphone test without noise cancellation. Activate now the noise cancellation, as you can see. Yeah, that's it. I would say stop this here. Everything else came from the DJI Action 4 built-in microphone, by the way. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with using the DJI Mic Mini, especially on your smartphone with Bluetooth, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.